Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize your account on the Vestiaire application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the Me option down below, which is the last option, and click on View My Profile. Tap on this settings icon in the right side of the screen. You can upload a profile picture, select your title, change your username if you want to, indicate your first and surname, and add information about yourself. In the biography section you have 400 words that you can or characters that you can type in. Here you can check out your account information such as your email address, your language that you can change of course by tapping on it and selecting from these 5 available languages. You can also select your currency here and your site as well. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.